Hi guys, Tom Morrison here, and I wanted to do a video to explain what the Simplistic Mobility Method actually is. So a lot of people assume that it's an ebook, but it's actually a downloadable PDF with instructional videos to follow along and learn how to move your body better. So the first thing I would recommend to do is to print off the PDF download to get an idea of what the method actually is and what you're looking for from your body. Then if you read on, you'll find that there's tests and retests to do and exercises to follow. So after watching an intro video which explains this a little bit more, you'll be going straight into the tests. Now the tests are very simple to follow and very individualized. So there's detailed explanations of everything and there's no right or wrong. This is the start of you learning how your body works, feels, and also how to visually examine yourself and see where your areas are that you need to work on the most. Things to look out for would be to check your squat, your overhead reach, your toe touch and stuff like that. And that's all the stuff that is going to set you up to be able to train at a high level and not to get injured as easily. After that, you have your exercises that you go straight into, and there is detailed explanations for those as well, and also ways to regress each of the exercises. So any of them that you would find particularly challenging, there will be ways that you can scale it down for yourself so that you can perform them better. A lot of them you may have seen on my page before, but they are all linked in a certain way that they all complement each other very, very well. Moving on, after the exercises, you'll go into a retest, and this is how you can start to learn if the exercises that you're doing are actually working for you, and if you are going to find any instant improvement, you'll find it straight away, or if it's going to take you a bit longer, then you'll know that you need to hit the program a bit more often. So what I would recommend would be 4 times a week, and after 8 sessions, generally most people will find the most improvement. From here you have head to toe mobility, and this is just an example of how you can do a quick routine, improvised yourself to start working on creativity and your mobility every day very quickly. Bonus exercises I wanted to add in because they're really good for your core and really good to challenge your body to move better. This helps to lock everything into place, but they aren't part of the main program because they do require equipment, and I did want something that you could do at home that doesn't require any equipment. So if you have access to a band and kettlebells and also juggling balls, that would be absolutely awesome as well, because juggling is great for your hand-eye coordination. If you are interested in the Simplistic Mobility Method, just head over to tommorrison.uk. You can get it from there. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me.